Adventurers, welcome. Get ready to be enthralled by a novel idea that revolutionizes performance and elegance in the motorhome industry. This is the BMW Motorhome 2026, a future concept that blends the utility of a mobile home with the unparalleled elegance of BMW design. Imagine a car with a recognizable kidney grille, angular adaptive laser headlamps, and flawlessly flowing aerodynamic body lines that smoothly glides down the road while radiating BMW's distinctive sporty and elegant atmosphere. A powerful twin-power turbo 6-cylinder engine or even a cutting-edge plug-in hybrid PHEV powertrain, providing the ideal balance of quick performance and remarkable fuel economy, sits beneath this gorgeous exterior. This idea promises to make driving a luxury SUV rather than a full-size motorhome pleasurable. The dashboard is a technological and design marvel that greets you as soon as you enter. The dashboard is dominated by a massive curved display that combines a touchscreen infotainment screen with a digital instrument cluster, in keeping with BMW's cockpit concept. An AI-powered voice assistant, 5G connection, and immersive 3D navigation are always there to help. Intuitive haptic touch controls have largely replaced physical buttons, and high-end materials like vegan leather and carbon fiber are used throughout to create a sleek and opulent aesthetic. The inside is a comfortable and opulent haven. Because of the design's great degree of modularity and flexibility, you may alter the arrangement to suit your needs, whether you're looking for a large living space or a peaceful workspace. In addition to providing breathtaking vistas, the motorhome's large panoramic windows on the sides let in a lot of natural light. A high-tech air filtration system guarantees that the cabin air quality is constantly fresh and clean, and LED ambient lighting can be changed to create various moods. At the rear, the bedroom is your own little hideaway. A memory foam mattress and premium linens are elements of an opulent queen-size bed that is electrically retractable. No matter where you are, a sound-canceling system, electrically controlled smart blinds, and dimmed lights guarantee a good night's sleep. Additionally, there is a creative secret cabinet for storing your personal items and clothing. The bathroom's layout maximizes available space without compromising elegance. They have contemporary sinks with LED-lit mirrors, water-saving composting or vacuum toilets, and hotel-style showers with rainfall showerheads. Maximum comfort is ensured by superior waterproof materials and efficient breathability. Not to be overlooked is the elegant and practical kitchen. Modern features including a microwave, induction cooktop, built-in refrigerator and freezer, and coffee machine are all included in its small form. There is plenty of clever storage space for all of your culinary tools and equipment, and the counters are constructed from high-quality, long-lasting materials. This 2026 BMW Motorhome is an experience rather than merely a car. Are you prepared to start your opulent journey?